Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn about command line arguments. So, command line arguments in Java are passed at the runtime of the program. Okay. So, using this command line argument, we are passing the parameter to our program by runtime of the program. And whatever the parameters that user passes will be stored into string array. Will be stored into string array. So just look into this simple example. So here we created a class complex line command line example. Command line example, that is the class name. Next, inside this main method we are just fetching those value. So whatever the parameters the user passes will be stored into this string array, that is string args. So args is the variable name. So using this variable args, you can display the string value. So here we are passing a number of values. That's why we use the for loop. For I equal to for int I equal to 0, I less than args dot length. So this args dot length will calculate the length of the array. Next I plus plus. So here inside this for loop we are just printing the values. So args I initially for the first iteration I value is 0, args of 0 which will point to the first command line argument. Okay, so like this we are displaying the values. So this program can be executed in two ways. Either you can use the command prompt or you can use the Eclipse IDE. So in this session, we'll use Eclipse IDE for executing this program. So when you execute this program using the command prompt, so you need to open this. You need to open the command prompt where your program is saved. Suppose that in the bin directory, the command line example is saved. You need to open that. Next, you need to type Java C. So Java C is a compiler which will check for any errors or not. Java C followed by file name dot Java. So when you press enter after this line, it will check for the errors. If program will not contain any errors, next you can just type Java that is class name, Java followed by class name, followed by you can pass the parameter. So here we are passing 4 parameter: simple, object oriented, robust and secure. So these are the 4 parameters that we are passing through the command prompt. Okay, so all these 4 parameters will be stored into this string array. So here you can consider args of 0.2 simple, args of 1.2 object oriented, args of 2.2 robust, args of 4.2 secure. Okay, so using this for loops you can display the values. So once you after passing values, once you click on the enter, so you'll get the output like this: Java is simple, Java is object oriented, Java is robust, Java is secure. Okay, we'll take the same example and same example will be executed using the Eclipse IDE. Okay, so first here we'll create a class, new class, give some name, keyboard command line example. Okay, so just click on finish. This will create a class for us. Next, just include main method here, is small main string args. Okay, so in the first example we will just pass two parameters and we will display those two parameters. System dot out dot print ln first. So inside this double quote just first parameter and this into plus for the concatenation args of 0. So just we'll copy this line and paste here. So we'll just change it to second parameters args of 1. So our program is ready to display the values. So next thing is how we can pass the parameters using Eclipse IDE. Just click on run, select run configuration. Check for the class name. The class name is, click on search, CmmdLine exe of the class name, just click on OK. So class name is COMMLINEEX. So here click on the arguments and you can pass the arguments here. So first argument is RLS, second argument BC. You are passing only two parameters. Okay, click on run. So here you can see that first parameter is RLS, second parameter is BC. So just you can include a space here. Save, just click on run. So here you can see the output. First parameter is RLS, second parameter is BCA. Okay, like this we can pass the parameter. So just we'll modify this program using the for loop. For int I equal to 0, I is less than r dot length I plus plus. Click on save and click on run. Just return this parameters is, click on run. You can see here this is I. Save, run. So parameter is parameter is BC. So we'll give some more parameter, can pass some more parameters. Arguments RLS BC diagram copy. Click on run. So here you can see the output. Okay, so this is how we can execute command line arguments using Eclipse. So the same program can be executed using command prompt also.